I want to highlight a few other trades in the Terranova Quality Momentum ETF. Joe, coming over to you. You sold Caterpillar.
Yes, and you do that when revenue growth goes from double digits to negative. So the strategy is constantly looking at what is the revenue growth when thinking about the quality factor. We prioritize that, which is kind of different, and I think that absolves you of then getting into a lot of value traps when you look at that revenue growth, and the revenue growth for Caterpillar has gone the wrong way. So
what do you make the upgrade today? Price target raised from 355 up to 385 by UBS, also moved up to neutral. Important to note, Caterpillar has a very big presence in Mexico, a number of facilities there.
Yeah, it sounds like you're kind of challenging the fact that we got out of the position, throwing in an upgrade and saying maybe they're right and possibly you're wrong. I believe in following a rules-based strategy, removing the human emotion. So I'm going to align myself with what this ETF
He was channeling me there. He channeled me.
I did.
You did. I
Absolutely.
Jim, you're a Caterpillar investor. I knew he was going to to do that. I knew he was going to do that.
Look, people are saying that this is a black jacket. It's the same color as yours. It's navy blue.
There you go.
Navy blue. It's not black.
Jim, just tag us out. We're going to get going on this. Anything on Caterpillar? I know you owned it way back in the day, but very quick.
It's a great company. I think that after the run it's had and at the valuation that it's had and all the success that the industrial sector has had, it's fine to trim it or even sell it. There's nothing wrong with selling high. Nothing at all.
What about industrials overall? I mean, if we are in fact in a trade war and tariffs, we don't have that much clarity. We just saw kind of a reversal today.
I'm going to make this simple too. I'm going to make this simple too. Look, in the long run, industrials should work, right? We've got infrastructure spending. We've got supply chain onshoring. With all the trade wars going on, that's going to continue. In the short term, the sector is due for consolidation. So just brace yourself for that.
All right, brace yourself. We're going to get to another move. Joe, you also sold Uber.
Price, momentum. That's the reason behind it. You had a run up above 80 in the fall as it began to pull back and correct from that level. Personally, I sold out of the position at, I believe, 73.5. We talked about it on air. I think the company is well positioned when you think about the future, but I think you're going to have to endure a period in which you're going to have to wait. If you're long the position and you want to be patient, you will be rewarded. For those that own Uber, I would think that the next $25 is going to be higher, not $25 lower. But this is in a strategy that's rather active. It rebalances and reconstitutes on a quarterly basis. I like that effect. And what it did was it acknowledged that we're basically seeing Uber is running in place. By the way, when you rebalance and reconstitute on a quarterly basis, you have the advantage of paring back winning positions like AppLovin, like Palantir, and that's exactly what happened on Friday.
All right, right now looking at Uber shares up just about 1.5%.